Hey guys, I am so excited to be back with you and to chat with you about a couple of things today. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so first off, if you can hear the the dryer behind me, I apologize, but I'm sitting right in front of the laundry room and our ceilings are really high in our dining room, so it's a little echoey right now, but it is what it is. We're just gonna get this done. So I decided to do Vlogmas this year, which if you don't know, that is basically 30 days or 31 days in the month of December, or I guess 25 kind of leading up to Christmas, where you just vlog and share kind of like what's going on in your life, but it's a video every day. So I've never done a video every day in the month, and I'm running a little bit late already because today is the 1st, but I decided to go ahead and do this and to just share with you guys things that have been on my heart and to give you like smaller, kind of shorter videos, but things that I think are really meaningful to me and that are kind of comprehensive of my whole life. So a couple of things that I want to address right now is number one, what can you expect from my Vlogmas on my channel? And number two is what is going on with me and what's new and kind of what the deal is and where have I been lately. So with the first thing, what you can expect, like I said, is videos every day. I'm going to commit to until Christmas. I might do it through the end of the year. We'll just see how it goes getting to Christmas. I think it'd be fun to kind of share with you guys what happens on Christmas also. So it might extend, but stay tuned. We'll at least have 25 days. And if I skip a day, then I will just make up for it on another day. But these videos are gonna be, like I said, shorter, so shorter format. They're gonna be like kind of bite-sized videos, not necessarily super long and very lengthy, which I think that most people prefer shorter videos to kind of digest them really easily. And what am I going to be sharing? So I'm going to be sharing several different things, and it's probably going to be like almost a different thing each day of the week. So I'll be sharing some budget stuff, like I'm going to do a monthly overview of our budget and weekly check-ins. I'm also going to be sharing like just life stuff, so day in the life or like what I eat in a day videos. I'm going to be sharing some meal planning and how I meal prep and stay on track with that. I'm also going to be sharing a couple of house things, so some house tours, some little room renovations that we're working on, and another renovation that is unexpected that we're working on. I'm also going to be sharing some minimalism stuff. So we just completed a 30-day minimalism challenge, and I'm going to be talking about that. So why we did it, what we think of it, what the next steps are for us with minimalism. And the most exciting thing for me is that I'm also going to be sharing some Bible studies, devotional, things like that. So that's different, like 6 different topics. So I'm going to be touching on a lot of things each week. And again, it's going to be kind of shorter videos for you guys, but just kind of real life stuff and sharing with you how things are going each day as we're getting down to Christmas. And then I'm also gonna be sharing with you guys like just some holiday stuff also. So if we go out and do like a holiday outing, say we go and look at Christmas lights, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what we're getting Elias for his Christmas presents this year, because he's gonna be 1.5 shortly. And so we're getting him some fun things for Christmas. And just some other like kind of holiday things like that. So like my favorite treats to make and stuff like that. So that's what to expect with Vlogmas. And then as far as the update of where I've been, I kind of took a lot of the month of November off of YouTube and just kind of sat back and kind of reevaluated some things. I have been really working towards a place of kind of starting a new journey personally, and it's nothing like negative or bad, so don't freak out. But I just think that the Lord is really taking me in a new direction, and I am praying on some things. I kind of fasted for most of the month of November from YouTube and from being here, from interacting with you guys. For the month of December, I'm actually fasting social media. So on my Instagram and Facebook pages, I will not be on them for the month of December. And I'm just taking that time to just really connect with the Lord. Anytime that I would be spending on the social media platforms, I'm just going to be working on my relationship with the Lord and really delving into what it is that He has planned for me and what the vision is that He's given me for this next season. It's something that's really exciting, but it's also huge. It's something that impacts our family. It impacts what I do. And so it's going to be a lot. But we're really excited about it, and so we're just kind of praying into that and waiting to see what the direction is and what the next steps are. So that's the newest thing with me personally. So again, I'm not gonna be on my social media platforms. I am gonna be here on YouTube, but that's why the videos are gonna be a shorter format for this month, because I am not committing a lot of time to that kind of thing. I don't see YouTube as like a social media platform. I know it's technically a search engine, and this is just where I come to share things with you guys, and it is a source of income. It's very small, but that's something that's a little bit more than just social media to me. So that's why I haven't excluded YouTube, but I have really cut back on what I'm watching on YouTube. So I usually just spend like tons of time watching different videos and just connecting with different other YouTube creators and things like that. And I'm really paring back a lot of that. So I'm strictly just making these videos, spending a little bit of time editing, and gonna be connecting with you guys in the comments, and that's about it. So it's gonna be a very different month for me, but I'm excited about it and kind of what's to come. So I think, oh, and then the other thing that has come up that is crazy, and I'll talk about this more a little later and share with you guys like how this impacts our budget for the month and going forward, but our fence fell last weekend. So like 2 days before Thanksgiving. Yeah, I think 2 days before Thanksgiving, our fence fell, or the day before Thanksgiving. It was one of those two. And it's the way that our house is situated. There is like an open side on the fence side. So there's like just a street next to us basically. So the fence fell like into the street. So we're having to get that fixed. And of course it's super rainy here. And so like the work is kind of start and go. So that's just a process, but I'll be kind of updating you guys with that and kind of sharing with you guys what our budget is for that and how that impacts our budget for this month moving forward. So anyway, that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you're having a great start to December, and I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving with your families, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope you guys are excited about Vlogmas. Let me know what you want to see in a comment down below so that I make sure to include it in this month's videos. Talk to you guys soon.